let me get it started. Leave me with the Robins, looking all retarded. BB sagging, fly like a dragon. Bitch suck my dick cause I'm high like Aladdin. Lil' Cindy, pull up to the creamy earth. Lily, hold up, let me get it started. Leave me with the Robins, looking all retarded. BB sagging, fly like a dragon. Bitch suck my dick cause I'm high like Aladdin. Lil' Cindy, pull up to the creamy earth. Lily,
Nigga say I'm going #1 this year, ride on a bitch like 6th gear. Yo, I'm really the hottest artist in the fucking America right now. 3 days, 36 million views. #1 Apple, #1 everywhere, we #1. It's fucking Treyway. And I'm glad I did it at this time. I'm so happy. Shout out to Nikki, shout out to Murder. I'm so happy I did this time because I gave my time. I gave me so much time to release straight singles. Gummo by myself, Kuda by myself, Billy by myself, Gotti by myself, straight Billboard hits by myself, Tati by myself. So now when I do a feature, nobody can say, yo, yeah, it's because of this person, it's because of that person. Nigga, you see me do it by myself for months. Yo, I'm the